Lazee Profitz review demo and $3,275 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Lazee Profitz review. This is a brand new product by Mosh Bari and Jason Fulton. Now these are two amazing marketers and they actually both are making $50,000 each per month just from affiliate marketing, and they just created a piece of software to help you to hit similar numbers. Obviously you're not going to be making $50,000 per month starting right now, but you're going to be able to start making money as an affiliate marketer with a super lazy piece of software that will just essentially do all the work for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you the proof, the demo, the sales page, the inside of the members area, all of the upsells, and I have a huge bonus worth well over $3,000, including some done for you stuff, including some custom made things especially for this promotion. So let me share my screen and let's jump right into it. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just wanted to show you some proof from my own Warrior Plus account. So as you can see, last month, which is October 2019, I made a total of $9,000. Now this is just from affiliate promotions from Warrior Plus. Obviously I'm promoting my own products, I have webinars, I'm promoting stuff from JVZoo, I'm promoting you know, a bunch of different things, but this is these $9,000 is made with something super similar to Lazee Profitz, and this is my own website. Okay, so let me show you my website. You probably already know it. If you don't know it, just go to artofmarketingblog.com and check it all out. And what Lazee Profitz will actually do for you, it will create a website just like this one, but without any worries about hosting or domains or any of it. Okay, so we're gonna jump into it in a second, but first of all, let me just explain to you what it does. Okay, so you're gonna be able to create a website just like this for affiliate reviews. Okay, so you will be creating reviews just like I'm doing right now. You won't have to record any videos because these are text written reviews, and like 90% will be done for you. Okay, but first of all, let me show you the sales page, and as you can see, it says warning, bank 100% done for you commissions, newbie friendly, no website or hosting required. So that's super important because I'm actually spending, you know, a lot of money on hosting, on upkeep, on design, you know, all of these different stuff included when you have your own website. Okay, so Lazee Profitz will actually do all of this for you. So this is the laziest, easiest affiliate site builder you'll ever see. New Lazee Profitz System creates one-click affiliate sites in just 60 seconds for unlimited traffic and commissions that two super affiliates use to make $50,000 plus per month from the beach without creating a single review article manually. So I'm actually spending 4 to 5 hours on each and every single one of these reviews. These reviews will be done for you. Okay, so obviously you can check out this video in your own time. I just wanted to touch on some key points. As you can see, you're going to be banking done for you commissions in 60 seconds. So first of all, you're going to log in. Second of all, you are going to add your affiliate ID and then rinse and repeat, and I'm going to show you all of this in just a few seconds. And as you can see, Jason and Mosh, they have some real proof behind it. So as you can see, they made $100,000 right here. That's year to date, and they made $235,000 total. Okay, so that's total by Mosh Bari and Jason Fulton. And again, this is by Jason Fulton and Mosh Bari. These are the two guys behind this product. They have tons of proof when it comes to affiliate marketing. And again, Lazee Profitz, this is the name of this product, and this is my Lazee Profitz review. So again, you can go through all of this in your own time. They get some testimonials, obviously 30 days money back guarantee. You know the drill. So you're gonna go through the pricing in a second as well, but right now let me show you the inside of the members area. And by the way, I'm going to have a full 7-minute demo video on my blog and on my YouTube channel. Okay, so you can check out that demo video right after watching this review video. So as you can see, this is the Lazee Profitz dashboard. So you will be able to access a few things here. So that's the main dashboard. Then you have my site, so obviously you can add a few different sites if you want. Then you have lazy traffic. When you're gonna click right here, this will bring up this page, and as you can see, you will be able to create forms and messages and also emails and triggers right here. Now everything will be explained in the demo video, but going back to the lazy traffic here, Again, you can access forms and messages, emails and triggers, and referral dashboard, and you can also access Lazee SEO right here. So as you can see, all you have to do right here is just add the title, description, and keywords, and everything will be created for you. Then obviously you're gonna have to add some webmaster tools. And then a part of this, you have trainings and tutorials. So obviously, all the videos, both on how to use the software and how to make money with it, will be added right here. So you can check all of this out. And what I wanted to show you is this. This is an example site, okay? So you will be able to create your own site just like this one, okay? So as you can see, it's actually very, very similar to my Art of Marketing blog, okay? So this will be these are all the different posts. Obviously, every single post is about a different affiliate marketing promotion. So once you click on it, this is what you will see. So obviously, this is customizable, but all of this was made automatically. So all of this text, all of these images, everything right here, these opt-in boxes, everything else is done for you automatically. So you don't have to write anything, you don't have to add any images. All of this is done for you, and that's why this works in 60 seconds or less, okay? So you have a full written review with images, with opt-in boxes, with a full description, etc. So as you can see, everything is done for you, and all you have to do is just add your affiliate link, and you can start making money as an affiliate marketer, okay? So this is exactly how this works. As you can see, again, you can create these posts in 60 seconds or less. And again, I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel. So if you're on my YouTube channel, the video I'm going to upload after this one will be the demo video. And if you are on my blog watching the video, right below this one is the demo video. So check it all out. And right now, let's go through the pricing, okay? So Lazee Profitz is $22, and that's the early bird price. So keep in mind, if you want to pick it up for $22, grab it right now. It's already live, and the price will be going up, okay? So after you're going to pick up your Lazee Profitz copy, you'll be presented with some upsells, okay? So first of all, the first upsell is Lazee Profitz Ultimate Done For You Edition for $97. So what you're getting here is 20 high converting Lazee Profitz campaign, which are 100% done for you, so you can start making money with this immediately, okay? So that's upsell number 1 for $97. Then we have upsell number 2 for $77, and this is 100x conversion booster, okay? So if you want to add Facebook pixel to your money sites, if you want to do premium SEO optimization, if you want to add countdown timers and also exit pop-ups and social proof, this will be an upsell that you want to pick up. Again, this is something that will really boost your conversions, and this will be $77. That's upsell number 2. Upsell number 3, we have done for you money sites for $197. Now this is optional obviously, but you're gonna get 20 live Lazee Profitz money sites that are done for you. So obviously you can set this all up yourself, or you can get 20 done for you money sites for Lazee Profitz for just $197. So a massive time saver, and again, you can jump straight into the profits. Next upsell, we got Lazee Profitz Super Traffic Machine for $97, and this will be something that will actually create a affiliate store for you, okay? So you're gonna have your affiliate site. If you want to include an affiliate store with it, that will be this upsell, Super Traffic Machine for $97. Obviously all of this stuff is optional, guys. And I got 2 more for you. Lazee Profitz Automated Passive Income System for $97. So if you want to set this up but have it completely hands-off and passive, this is the upsell that you definitely can consider. Again, this is Lazee Profitz Automated Passive Income System for $97. And then we have the last Lazee Profitz upsell, license rights for $197. And as you can see, you will be able to actually sell Lazee Profitz as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the main product and all of the upsells. So essentially you can just sell this, keep all the profits, and you don't have to worry about hosting or support or any of it, okay? So I'm actually making 50% commissions promoting this as an affiliate. You're gonna be making 100% commissions if you want on the whole funnel, okay? Obviously, as I told you, all the EOs are optional, all of the upsells are optional, and you'll be fine with the main product alone. But if you want to make your life a little bit easier, with the done for you upsells or any other upsell, then by all means you can definitely consider one of these. Okay, now I have a full written review right here on my blog, so everything that I just mentioned is right here, including the funnel and including all of my bonuses. Okay, so when it comes to my bonuses, as I mentioned, I have well over $3,000 worth of bonuses you're gonna get for free just for picking up Lazee Profitz through my link. And if you want to pick it up from my link, if you're watching on YouTube, just click the first link in the description to go directly to the sales page, or if you are on my blog, click one of these blue links right here. These blue links will take you to the sales page and you will be hard coded and you're gonna get my bonuses included with your download. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give you my custom bonus I made especially for this Lazee Profit promotion, and this is everything you need to know about social media traffic. Okay, so obviously the more traffic you're gonna send to your Lazee Profit sites, the more money you're gonna make, and this is exactly what you're gonna see with the first custom bonus. Okay, so then you're gonna get the second bonus is actually a massive done for you package from myself. So I used to sell this as one of the OTOs to my older courses, but you're gonna get it for free, and these are the free done for you courses released by myself, and all three are W's of the Day awarded winners. So you're gonna get all three of these with PLR, which means that you can do whatever you want with these. Okay, you can rename them, you can sell them, you can give them away, you can do whatever you want. And I'm also going to give you 49 done for you emails. So these are 7 separate affiliate marketing promotions, so 7 emails in each campaign promoting 7 different products. Okay, so 49 emails that are done for you. You're also gonna get Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser, which are free courses about making money on Fiverr, and you can actually use Lazee Profitz to sell a gig on Fiverr and start setting up affiliate sites, but for other people. If you don't want to do it for yourself, obviously you can just do this for other people and charge them hundreds of dollars, and this is what you will see with these free bonuses. Now I'm also going to give you 3-step profit machines, which is a W's of the Day awarded product, Quantum Profits, another W's of the Day awarded product, Piggyback Cash Machine System, another W's of the Day product, Fusion W's of the Day as well, Newbie Traffic Formula, and I'm going to give you 12 money making plugins. Okay, so you're gonna get a drag and drop page builder, month-free salary generator, case study, auto blogger, auto tube, auto social, early bird viral traffic plugin, viral list builder, animate anything plugin, course builder, any form builder, and WP Media 2S free. Now all of these are plugins, and I have 9 more on top of that. So you also gonna get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, I Ask, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Short Code CTA. Now on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. Now if you want to check out exactly what it is, just go to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus. But my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and together with all the bonuses that I just mentioned, this will bring it up to a total of $3,275. Now you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free, again, just as a thank you for picking up Lazee Profitz through my link. And you can just click on one of these blue links on my blog to go directly to the sales page and get all of these bonuses, or if you are watching on YouTube, just click again on the first link in the description to go to the sales page. And just to sum up this review, I really like it because this is exactly how I'm making money. This is exactly how Mosh and Jason are making money, and this just plain works. Okay, just doing reviews of affiliate marketing products simply works. People buy these, and you can make a ton of money. You probably won't make $50,000 in your first month, but even if you're gonna make like $2,000 or $3,000 or $5,000 extra, and this is completely automated, then you know it's a cool side income, and maybe you can turn it into a 10K or 20K per month business. So I really like it. So obviously for the super low price that you can grab it for right now, it just makes a lot of sense. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment on my YouTube video or right here on my blog. Please give it a like on YouTube, I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel for more reviews just like this one. And again, if you have any questions, I'm always here to help, so please let me know, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.